Good morning, all my grade 4 students. Welcome to our EBS class. Children, today we are going to start our chapter 6 that is called spices. As you know, children, spices add flavor to food. They make it tastier. They also are used in traditional medicine. In this video, let us learn about the history of spices and their uses. So let's go to the next slide to discuss them all. Children, in this chapter, you will be able to learn about the history of spices and their uses. Children will be able to know about different spices used then and now. You also will be able to learn about various taste and flavor of the spices. All these are the learning outcomes of this chapter. Spices in India. You know, children, when ships landed in India for the first time, several hundreds of years ago, the traders who landed asked for spices. Such was the fame of India's spices because Indian spices were very famous across the world. At one time, spices were meant only for the royal families and the rich. Spices have been famous for both their color and flavor. They have strong aroma that improve the quality of the food. Thus, they cost a lot of money in the past. Today, spices are still in great demand and are produced in several parts of India. They are added to food and sometimes used for medicinal purpose too. They have healing properties and the ability to protect the body against many diseases. For example, turmeric has antiseptic and medicinal properties. Let's take a detailed look at a few spices that are used for cooking as well as for medicinal purposes. Different types of spices. First of all, we will discuss about clove, that is also known in Hindi as lavang. Clove is a flower bird that looks like a nail. It is often used in cooking, especially non-vegetarian dishes and pulaus. Children, it is dark chocolate brown in color and has a very strong aroma. It has medicinal properties too. It cures toothache. Next one is fennel or saunf. It is green in color and often used for cooking as a medicine. It helps digestion. It is also used as a mouth freshener after meals as it has a refreshing taste and aroma besides being a digestive. Fennel seeds are popularly used while making mukhwas. Next is cumin or jeera. It is brown or sometimes black in color. It is a small and skinny seed. In certain parts of India, it is roasted, powdered and added to butter milk. Medicinally, jeera is used in Ayurveda as a healing agent for stomach ailments. It also cools the stomach and helps in faster digestion of food. Next one is black pepper. It has a black coating outside and is white or yellow inside. Pepper is the only spice that is used to flavor food before, during or after cooking. It can be used anytime. Next one is very important, children, that is turmeric or haldi. It is yellow in color and it is mixed with oil and applied to wounds for faster healing. It is also taken internally mixed with milk or honey to heal colds and ease chest congestion. Turmeric powder is widely used in Indian cooking for its digestive properties. Other one is red chili or lal mirch. It is a powdered fine and used in curries. It is added to food to make it hot and spicy. Red chili is a common item of spice in every Indian kitchen. It also adds a rich color to cooked food. Let's revise what we have discussed in this chapter. Spices are always in great demand and are produced in several parts of India. They are added to food and are sometimes used for medicinal purposes. Each of the spices has a specific taste and flavor. Some spices such as cumin, fennel, clove, black pepper, turmeric, etc. are used now and used since ancient civilizations of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Each of these spices has their equal importance in our kitchen. So, I will conclude this chapter here. Children, I hope all of you have gathered a lots of information of different spices and then their different uses. Please read this chapter again once or twice so that it will be very much clear to all of you. In our next video, we will come up with another interesting topic. Till then, take care. Thank you all.